used to sag my Tommies and shit. I had this Puerto Rican mommy that don't want me to switch. This white girl that wanted me in Abercrombie and Fitch. I told them fuck them both, I never switched my style for a bitch. Around the time you were asking mommy to buy you a whip, we were on the strip asking Poppy consign me a brick. But since I wasn't never on time with my shit, he probably wasn't consigning me shit. I'm trying to find me a lick. As kids we tried to steal all that we could. I had a footprint on every single door in my hood. Hey yo, here we go. Every yo said that we're hysterical. Everywhere we go, we come back home with a stereo or a TV before they were the flat screens. Kenya was my black queen. I would do my rap thing. And it never really worked like we wanted. But damn, it felt good to see people up on it. Cause damn, it feel good to see people up on it. Damn, it feel good to see people up on it. And Joey, give it to ya, but do you really want it? Cause damn, it feel good. Listen.
Breathing is the way. Easing is the pay, yeah.
Come on, Mo.
Check it out. Yo, and the city was rough, gritty and tough. Hove was still jigger, Diddy was puff. Big was still alive, Pac was still on. Boss jeans were fat, Reeboks were the bomb. Hawk and I killed him, Fila was too jig. I wore my Levi's like 3 sizes too big. For the fitted hats, we had the starter caps with the straps. I rock my shit a little to the back, right? And we listened to cassettes, smoking cigarettes. Older dudes were sipping on their backs. The first beer I had, I liked. Natural Ice had us like, looking for trouble, riding double on a pedal bike. Blunt guts I spill in the street, picking seeds out of my weed and rolling Dutchies without peeling the leaf. Hey yo, I stand around in the crowd that stands around in the cloud. And man, I was just a child, but damn do I miss it now. I grew up rapping and fucking playing dozens. None of us were related, but we would say we're cousins. Bev House with the zone, we used to call it home. None of us had a family and Chris was all alone. We used to try to hustle, man. I fucked my packs up, then I scraped my scraps up, just trying to get back up. E, look out for me though, them corner store owls. Hey E, I owe you. No vowels, no cable, sometimes no power. Freezing cold showers, no powers. Dry off with the white you wore the night before. And check before you get that door, cause it might be law. No silver spoon, no silverware. We used to share plates of food, man, we didn't care. My man Mo was there, my man Rich was there. I think about it while I blow my square smoke in the air.
Hey.